and welcome to Partners In Shidduchim. My name is Meira Gold, and I'm delighted to share with you this two-part video to introduce you, the single, or the family or friend of a single, to the Partners In Shidduchim database. This database is uniquely designed to help you network with others across the Shomer Shabbos global community to find and pursue suitable matches for yourself or for someone that you know. In part 1, I'll be sharing a 4-minute explanation of who we are and what we are trying to do. In part 2, we'll explore the actual site with a brief focus on the key features. Before we even begin, take note that this global platform respects the privacy of each single. Each member has a personal ID number and the choice to include a photo and last name. Let's begin. Who are we? We're a team of dedicated individuals working on your behalf by providing a universal, vetted database where everyone, singles, family, friends, shadchanim, are networking to help you find your match. To date, dozens of matches have come to be through this networking opportunity. We operate through a system that is endorsed by leading rabbanim and organizations and is designed to uphold the highest levels of tznius and Torah guidelines as we work hand in hand with the klal to further this important mission. What drives us? We are driven by our firm belief that Shidduchim is not a matter of waiting. It is an active process of searching and pursuing a match on our own, for our own, or for someone else that we know. This database provides you with the tools you need to dive right in and search for suitable ideas. Why join the PINS network? Join for 2 reasons. Number 1, to share your profile with thousands of members who can think of ideas for you. Number 2, to search for a match on your own, for your own. What makes us unique from other Shidduch databases? We all know that there exist many other databases for dating singles. What makes PINS any different? The PINS site includes powerful search tools to allow for an enjoyable and effective search process. And our revolutionary feature, coined by the famed Rabbi Pesach Krohn, one of the leading rabbanim who endorses the PINS site, PAL stands for Personal Advocate Liaison. Each single is highly encouraged to appoint someone as their advocate, such as a close friend, coworker, family member, be it cousin, aunt, sibling, parent, anyone that knows you well. Of note, many singles choose to list the name of their shadchan as their pal. That appointed person becomes the point person listed on the single's profile to receive and manage suggestions. This role provides a personal manager for the single suggestions and serves to populate the global Shidduch network with many pals, where people taking an active role to supplement the work of professional shadchanim. A single over the age of 25 can choose to self-represent instead of using a pal if they wish. Common questions. I'm not comfortable sharing a picture. Is that a requirement to join? Photos are not required, and neither are last names. Each member is given a personalized member ID number through which they can be identified. I'm not a gifted writer. How important are the personal description and looking for sections? These sections are essential, as it is through your written description that special someone can find your profile. We highly recommend that prospective members ask for assistance with their profiles, either from someone they know or ask to be connected with one of our volunteer writers. How are members verified? All members that apply to this site go through a process by which we reach out to community rabbanim to ensure that they are verified members of our community. And now I welcome you to join me for part 2, in which we'll take a look at the actual Partners In Shidduchim site and its most notable features. Let's dive right in. Once on, the search begins. Here we have an example of the main page. On here and the dozens of pages like this, You can view the thousands of profiles on the site. The best way to perform a search is by using this fantastic search feature, in which you can detail the specifics of what you are looking for in a match. Here you can search by an endless range of criteria, such as gender, height, age, hashkafa, and current location. You can also search by using a specific keyword, such as analytical, introspective, or outgoing. This can be used in many ways, such as, for example, if your child is currently overseas, you can search for profiles of those in whatever country they are, be it Israel, France, Mexico, or somewhere else. If you seek an alumna or alumnus from a particular school, such as Bis Yaakov, Vamir, Eshat Torah, you can enter that and profiles populate accordingly. You can also toggle easily amongst the profiles on the main page by selecting a particular column like ID number, age, or name. Selecting a particular column header sorts all of the profiles in alphabetic or numeric order. Let's take a look at an actual profile. For the purpose of this video, we're going to use a sample. Here we have listed all of the information provided by the single during their registration process, including personal information, education, occupation, personal description and looking for sections, shul information, family information, and references. Under certain parameters, a single may choose to include his or her contact information here as well. And most importantly, here is the individual's PAL, personal advocate liaison, or shadchan contact info. As discussed, this is the person chosen by the single to represent them in this process. This person is the one who you will contact to find out more about the single you are interested in pursuing. Shorten the process of pursuing an idea by contacting this person who is ready and willing to advocate and collaborate with you to advance suggestions. From this page or the main page, you can pin a profile for later reference or forward it via email to yourself or another person. In addition to the search feature, here are some other wonderful features of the site. The Ideas tab. This is a valuable tool for you, the single, and anyone else actively involved in matchmaking, such as the shadchan. It serves as a folder that holds all of your suggestions and ideas in one place to keep you organized and effective in your search. The Pin tab. Here is where you can see those profiles that you pinned for easy reference at a later point. Activity. If you email a profile to someone, you'll find that right here for the purpose of tracking. Engage tab. Look here to join in the good news of other PINS members. We all know that people read Shidduchim and the information can get lost. People share names and they can be forgotten. Here's a way to keep all information together in one place with easy access for everyone involved in this most important effort. At Partners in Shidduchim, you are never alone. More profiles means more opportunities to search and find matches. Join today and help spread the word. Thank you for watching.